Hey everyone, welcome back to KH Computers, your one-stop place for laptop and tech tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on a Dell Latitude 7400 completely from scratch. If you're upgrading from Windows 10 or doing a clean install, just follow along. It's super easy. So first of all, here's our Dell Latitude 7400, a sleek and powerful business laptop, and we're about to give it a fresh start with Windows 11. Let's begin by plugging in the Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Now, I'll power on the laptop and keep pressing the F12 key. That's how you enter the Dell boot menu. Once the boot menu appears, you'll see your USB drive listed under boot options. I'll select the USB drive and hit enter, and that's it. The laptop starts booting from the USB. You'll soon see the Windows logo appear. Just wait a few seconds. Now the Windows setup screen is here. I'll choose my preferred language, time, and keyboard layout and click Next, then Install Now. If you have a product key, you can enter it here. But I'll click on I don't have a product key to continue. Next, I'll choose the edition of Windows 11 I want to install. For most users, Windows 11 Pro works best. Now it's time to choose the installation type. I'll go with Custom. Install Windows Only Advanced for a clean installation. Here you can see all the existing partitions. If you want a completely fresh setup, just delete the old partitions. But be careful, this will erase your data. After deleting, I'll create a new partition, select it, and click Next. Now Windows will start copying files, installing features, and setting up everything. This process usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your laptop speed. Just sit back and relax while Windows does its job. After the installation finishes, your laptop will automatically restart. When it boots up again, you'll see the Windows 11 setup screen. Here you can select your region, keyboard layout, and connect to Wi-Fi. Once connected, sign in with your Microsoft account or create a local account if you prefer offline setup. Now Windows will finalize the settings, get everything ready, and after a few minutes, you'll reach the brand new Windows 11 desktop. Clean, fresh, and ready to use. Let's take a quick look. Everything's running smoothly. The system feels fast, and drivers can be updated easily from Windows Update or Dell support. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 11 on your Dell Latitude 7400 step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to KH Computers for more laptop tutorials, tech tips, and repair solutions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.